Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. You may be wondering why I'm wearing a beanie inside my house, even though it's like 40 degrees outside. It's because I'm currently losing the thermostat war, and when this video is done being filmed, my husband better watch out. So today I am talking about gift sets, like beauty gift sets. I have some hair stuff, some beauty stuff, like mascara, some concealers, all good things and things that would make really good Christmas gifts. I also have a giveaway for this video, which I'm so excited about. I will share the product that I'm giving away to you guys and entry details when I get to the actual like discussion of the product. So keep an eye out for that, but I've got a lot to talk about. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you're new here. And everything I'm talking about is going to be linked in the description bar below. Okay, so everybody has gift sets right now. Sephora is currently doing one of their like big sales where based on your tier you get like certain discounts. I think the code is like yay holiday. So you just have to check which tier you are and then that will tell you what day you actually get to shop. But they have a lot of really good gift sets, but all of these are actually just from Ulta because I was at Ulta and I saw so many good finds. So I picked them all up. I think gift sets are great for Christmas gifts because one, they make good quality Christmas gifts. Like all of these beauty products are genuinely awesome and I love all of them. Like I picked things that I either use or have used that are really good. Two, they can keep you under a certain price point. So you can actually shop for gift sets under a certain budget, and that's really nice, especially if you're looking for something maybe like a Secret Santa gift swap with your girlfriends, or you know a girl you want to buy a gift for, you're not sure what to get her, and you still want to stay within a certain budget. And then three, it's honestly just a great way for people to find products that they love. This is actually one of the blush gift sets I have. I keep pointing this way because that's where they're all sitting. It's actually how I found one of my favorite Tarte blushes last Christmas. So it's a great way to like find new products without having to buy a specific shade range for someone that you know or even yourself. So I only have one skincare product and it is without a doubt one of the best. This is the IT Cosmetics set. This full set is a $95 value. So everything in here is $95 like if you were to buy it separately, but you get it for $55. In here comes the Confidence in a Cleanser, Confidence in a Cream, Confidence in an Eye Cream, and the Confidence in your Beauty Sleep. So the Confidence in a Cream is full size, which makes this whole thing worth it by itself. I'll open it up for you guys. And I actually do, not to kind of confuse you guys, but I do Instagram giveaways every single month on my Instagram that are completely separate from YouTube. I'll put the giveaway details to that in the description bar, but you do have to like enter on Instagram. And actually this set is one of the things I'm giving away this month, but this is full size. It is one of my favorite creams. I actually use this under my makeup a lot right now because since getting pregnant, I've told you guys 100 times, my skin is so dry, it's embarrassing. And this is one that's like creamy enough that it's gonna hydrate my skin, but it doesn't break up my makeup. So I don't use this one at night, but this one does. This full set includes a nighttime cream. Now this is a travel size sample, and I really like using travel size and also gifting because like for instance, when I pack my hospital bag, I'm not gonna want to pack a full size product. And so for me, like to be able to pack say a night cream and it's travel sized, I'm just the person who whenever I'm traveling, I'll take travel size everything and then I'll just toss it all in the trash can when before I come home so that I don't have to unpack it when I get there. So there's a lot of reasons I love travel size, but you can try it out before you buy it. So Beauty Sleep's in here. They also have the eye cream. This is the cleanser that I keep in my shower, one of the two. I keep this one and then the Tula Cult Classic. It's one of the two that I go back and forth between all the time. So you really can't go wrong with this line. Everything has like anti-aging ingredients in it and it's just, it is so good. The Confidence line is amazing. So $55 for this entire set that retails at a $95 value if you were to buy it separate. Now into makeup. This is the Tarte High Performance Best of Blush Amazonian Clay Cheek Set, okay? There are 5 blushes in here. It tells the colors Fantasy, which looks to actually be a highlight, but maybe it's just got shimmer. So it's Fantasy, Charmed, Exposed, Delight, and Captivating. Exposed is the one that I used last year and it is really pretty. And actually I used it in a travel size. I loved it so much when I ran out of it, I bought a full size. But these blushes are going to last you a really, really long time. And I used to not be as crazy about blushes, but the older I get, the more I like realize the value in a good blush. So it's a pretty decent size, you can see there. I really like the Tarte Amazonian Clay line, but specifically the blush set, you can't really go wrong. It does not have the price on this one, which is why I put it on the screen, but on the back it does have a little tag to from. But again, this is like great if you want to give, you have like a gift swap, White Elephant or anything like that with your girlfriends, and you want to give like a good gift, but you don't know, like you don't want to buy a specific shade. This set has me floored. So I think they even had a set that was smaller, and it just came with a like travel size of the lash enhancing serum and the brow serum. But this is a full, I'm assuming it said Grande Lash. So it's the Grande Lash MD for growth to your actual lashes. It is the Grande Lash Brow for growth to your brows, and then the Grande Fanatic. It's a full size mascara. So I've never used these products. I actually bought them to try out for you guys. I am a big fan of the Dime Lash Serum, and then they recently came out with a clean brow gel as well that promotes growth. And just like any other product, it takes time to see that. And so the Grande Lash is a 3-month supply, and then the brow, that is an 8-week supply. So this is going to give you enough time if you're buying it for yourself to try it out and see if you like it and decide whether you want to buy a full size, you want to rebuy the product, or same for someone you're giving the gift to. This is enough for them to say, okay, you know, I've used it enough, I definitely like it, I think it's worth the money, I'm going to buy it myself, while still being a high quality gift, but you're not gifting a full, you know, very expensive one, and then it just does come with a mascara. But like I said, I do believe they had one that just had like these two in it and not the mascara, but you can find them all over the internet. But I was really excited to try this out because I hear a lot of good things about it, but I'm just a big Dime girl. Like I've been using the Dime Lash Serum since February, and then they only launched the brow gel that also promotes growth just a few weeks ago, and I bought that the day it launched. So I've always been about Dime, so I'm excited to see how those compare. The best stocking stuffer, gift guide, it does not matter. Essence mascara is one of my favorites. I was actually talking about this on my stories today. I tried out the Man Eater mascara from Tarte for the first time, and it was good, but it wasn't like I think it's like $23 or $29 mascara. It wasn't like that good. And I said, like, the Essence mascara is dirt cheap and it performs 10 times better. So I love this little set. It's $15 for the 4 mascaras that they make. The one that I use is the False Lash Effect with the green and black bottle. I have tried every single one of them. That is the one that I keep coming back to, which is funny because the Sculpted volume is the one that I find a lot of you guys recommend. But they are full size bottles. I think these are like $4 or $5 a piece. So a slight deal that you're gonna get there. Their product is cruelty free, but this is just like one of, in my opinion, the best mascaras that like money can buy. Drugstore high end, like I always go back to Essence mascara. It is so good. Now this little set did come in a full size as well, but I got the travel size. I really like the Bad Gal Bang Bang mascara. It's really nice. It's just very expensive, especially to be a mascara. And so this one comes with 3 travel size. So it's got the Bad Gal Bang Bang mascara, They're Real Magnet, which is new, and then the Roller Lash mascara. These are mini. It says it's a $41 value, which I'm assuming means if you were to buy the travel size separate, because I think the Bad Gal Bang Bang mascara, it's a little bit more on the expensive side, but this is $24. So if you're trying to hit like a stocking stuffer under 25, this is great. And then you get just 3 little tubes on the inside. So good product. So, you know, it's a good price, especially for as good as I do know that this one mascara is. And it's great if you aren't sure if you want to try one of these mascaras full size. Now we are on to hair. So this is the giveaway that I'm doing. I'm going to be giving one of you guys this double shot On the Rocks set from Drybar. This whole set is a $224 value for $150. I have had friends who use the Drybar like blow dryer and they love it. I used to really talk up the Revlon one, but I can't anymore after mine broke. I believe it's actually been over a year and a half ago maybe, and I noticed that my hair had literally just stopped growing because it was so fried and damaged from the Revlon one. So the Drybar is a lot better, but because I use the Dyson Airwrap and I'm so in love with that thing, I could talk about it all day. I didn't want to buy this and then use it myself, so I'm actually going to be gifting it to one of you guys. So in here it has the On the Rocks shampoo, conditioner. It has the Pep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant, and a full-size detox dry shampoo, along with, you know, the blow dryer. So one of you guys is going to get this if you don't want to gift it to someone for Christmas. The way that you have to enter, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. I will check winners to make sure they are subscribed. And then you have to comment below, tell me what like your favorite gift is to give for the holidays, or like your favorite gift you've ever received. And then put the Christmas tree emoji so that I know that you're like actually not just commenting and you want to enter in the giveaway. I will be picking the giveaway winner this Friday. You have to check back. You should get a notification from YouTube if I comment back. But once I pick a winner, I'm gonna message you and say, hey, you know, email me to claim your prize. You only have 24 hours to claim. That way I can keep it fair. I've had some people, when I give out the coffees, come back like 3 weeks later and be like, hey, sorry, I didn't check my, you know, notifications and I saw that I won the coffee, and it will be like a 3-week prior winner. So you do have only 24 hours to claim this, or it will go to someone else. So I'm going to pick the giveaway winner on Friday, and I will have this shipped directly to you, the full thing. I'm not even going to open it, so you guys can have it for yourself, for a gift, whatever you choose to use it for. So that is it. But yes, if you want to give a more expensive, lavish gift, but still, again, you have like products that they can try, this is great. And again, like, I've heard great things about that hairdryer. I just personally have never used it because I am a Dyson Airwrap fan. That thing is expensive. And then the last two products, this is the Sexy Hair Set. Comes with, one of these bottles got turned around. I know I have one of these three in a full size. So this is the big Fundraiser Volume Dry Texture Spray. So this is the one that I have full size, but it also comes with a Boost Up conditioner and shampoo. And this little set, again, a great stocking stuffer. Big Sexy Hair is a great brand because it literally does what it says. It gives you big, sexy hair. I've always had that experience with this product. I think this is one of the products that I used, I want to say in maybe college. It was like one of the first things I was influenced to buy by someone. And I was like, wait, this hairspray is really good. So I have the full size of that one. Now, a product that is an OG of mine is this Chi set. So this is the Chi On The Go styling kit, and this is actually claiming that all of these, yes, they are all TSA approved. So I mean, I think this is its separate bag and you have to have everything in one bag. Could be wrong about that, but they're under 3 ounces, so they're travel approved. It comes with the Chi Infra Shampoo, Infra Treatment, the Silk Infusion Complex, which I'm assuming is like a conditioner, and then the Helmet Head Extra Firm Hairspray with a hold level of 5. So great way to try out Chi products. The one that I love from them is the Heat Protectant. That is not included in here, which bummed me out a lot. That Heat Protectant is golden. I was in high school and my hairdresser looked at me and said, if you don't start using a heat protectant on your hair every single day, when you put heat to it, your hair's gonna start falling out, okay? So I've been using that since high school and it smells really good. These products do smell very good. My mom has actually used Chi like shampoo conditioner before, but I like that these are like under 3 ounces. So again, they're travel like size approved. But again, if you're like me and you just like want to throw them in a bag going somewhere and then you don't want to bring them home and unpack it, you just toss it in the trash and you're not tossing away a full bottle of product. And that is it for today's video. I hope that this kind of give you guys some ideas for beauty sets, whether it be hair, skincare, or makeup. Like I said, there are tons out there. Ulta, Sephora, Walmart, everywhere has it, you name it. I'm going to be rolling out a ton of my gift guides and holiday content starting this week. So this is like one of the first videos. I have tons of stuff coming up for you guys. And if I can just say one thing about the holiday season, it doesn't even matter like what you buy, just buy it now, because I have had so many products personally, like they either are delayed or canceled. There are just so many supply chain issues and shipping issues this year, and I mean it's next level. I haven't seen people like this panicked in a very long time, and I felt like it was gonna be worse last Christmas, and I feel like it's actually a lot worse this Christmas. So make sure you are shopping early. Don't be a last minute shopper this year. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, everything's going to be linked in the description bar below. Don't forget to enter in the giveaway. Love you guys so much, and I hope that I see you in my next video.